Ladies and gentlemen, my video tutorial will provide you with help to get rid of the new ransomware called Lucky. My video will be only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware and I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover your data. Anyway, before the ransomware's attack, you are able to open all of your files without any difficulties. So, no troubles at all. But unfortunately, because of some leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this lucky ransomware from the Makeup family may be very easily injected into the system. Very soon, people realize that they can no longer access their data. So this lucky ransomware encrypts files and damages the data considerably. So of course the victims of this ransomware are not really lucky, because their cherished files are now damaged and poisoned by this horrible ransomware called Lucky. The ransomware then tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom, supposedly for file restoration. So, Combo Cleaner will help you to effectively detect and delete this ransomware called Lucky. Combo Cleaner does not decrypt files, but it helps to actually identify and then eliminate this horrible ransomware. So you just need to wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated, because this is essential for proper detection and removal of this particular ransomware called Lucky. So after you click on the Start Scan button, the software will update its anti-malware database. Don't skip this very important step and wait until it gets successfully updated. Finally, after the antivirus database gets successfully updated, Combo Cleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of this scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will also be able to know their exact locations based on the summary of the threats. Pay attention to the feature of Combo Cleaner called Anti-Ransomware. This feature helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. You can actually add one or several folders that would always be under the protection against the ransomware. So Combo Cleaner doesn't decrypt files, but it helps to remove the ransomware and to protect your data ahead of time. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover your files.